this morning. For me a first, ne? Luister, where we going? To the harbor. Which harbor? You moet nou praat, bro.
Sandwich Harbor. Sandwich Harbor, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to Sandwich Harbor, ne? So whenever you in Swakopmund and you want to go do what we are doing today, and so much more, ne? Hierdie Johnny, come introduce yourself. Vertel 'n bietjie die mense.
Môre mense, my naam is Leclue Lou. Ek is 'n toergids hier op die Desert Dunes in Dastoors. So ja, ons gaan na die plekke waar die mense nie eintlik so maklik kan gaan nie.
Daar sê.
Ons gaan sien daai plekke.
Hy sê sy naam is Leclue, ne? Hy sê we're taking us to where people can't go or get. He's gonna take us, ne Leclue?
100%.
But I'll put your number in the description.
Daar's hy, 100%.
Let's go do dunes. Let's go see what Gala can do. There's a lot of people waiting to see what Gala can do. Let's go test Gala today. Say arrivari. So very interesting to hear about the salt works. This is a massive salt work operation going on just outside of Walvis. But Leclue gave us a lot of interesting data about this salt works. So yeah, there we see two jackals. They're on the hunt for these strawberry chickens, also called the flamingos. So these Johnnies, they are the hunters of the strawberry chickens. What a beautiful sight to see them. Everyone is marking. How beautiful is that? Check that photo and that reflection. Goodness gracious. So yeah, deflation time. So with Gala, it is now back old school. Deflation. Old school. But the bachelors, the two single boys, and I got a lot of phone numbers for them to keep them busy for the next 5 years. They on Indeflate as well. Let's check. Johan Indeflate as well. And even Alec Indeflate, Papa, Indeflate. So this is one of the best deflation devices. So if you need an Indeflate, contact Trans Africa Bush Gear and or go to our online shop and go order online Indeflate. So choppers, deflating tires means one thing. Let's go play in the dunes. Let's go play in the sand. And we're gonna see what this Johnny, the Raptor. We're gonna see what this Raptor. Of course, Gala for the win. There has to be a Ford recovery vehicle on every tour, ne? Grappie, maybe I get recovered, but I don't think so. We're gonna see what this Gala, this machine, this 4.8 GRX, Papa, I am so nieuwsgierig to see what it does and how it does. But a beautiful setting here on the edge of the salt mine, salt pans. But let's go to the dunes, and there's the Trans Africa photographer of note. So yeah, let's deflate and let's go play. Right, so into the great nothingness we go. This is gonna be so much fun. This is Mos now living, man. Hey baby Jane, how lekker is this? Almost feels like doodsakker. Stopping again, deflating again. This time down to 0.8. Because now we're on the route to Langewand, Malinki, the Death Acre part of Namibia. Yes, Namibia has a part that's called Langewand. I'm going to show you now. So there, where those dunes are, is where the dunes meet the oceans in Namibia. So all the choppers are ready and me taking back. So all of the final adjustments for tires, because now you don't want to play. Now it gets serious. Now it gets serious. So al die choppers in a row. Al die choppers in a row. But my broer, let me tell you a little something about this Gala monster, nee. Baby Jane, this thing, nee. Kom bietjie hier, so kom bietjie. Malinkie is a little bit of stressed out, man. Don't be stressed. Never fear when I'm near, baby. Never. This is gonna be so much fun.
Ja, ek is onder dwang hier.
Ja, Malinkie is capping in anxiety. But
Max.
let's go do Langewand
Ja, ek hou
and then play a little bit in the dunes. Let's go.
Daai klippe en dit slaan in daai duin vas. So laasweek toe hierdie plek gevloed het, die water oor daai duin, jy kan nog sien die skade bo op die duin en hy het 'n poel hier aan die agterkant op gemaak met die water.
Ja, jy sou by die
Daai duin waarvan ons gepraat het, sy naam is Nou Entry Time Marker.
Daar gaat hy. Hoi.
Ja, dit agterkom 1870, die was varswater uit 'n spring uit die voort. So gelukkig vir hulle was dit so varswater tot omtrent 1935. Dit was 'n baie groot springgety. Okay, so hierdie een is regop. Maar eers maar baie gekorre kyk.
Yes.
Ja nee, wat so kry hulle almal 'n beerd, papa. Eerste was Gala, nou is dit daai Johnny. Maar one wins. Check hierso. One wins for the win. Ons gaan hom net gou so bietjie oortrek. Right toe. Neem maar 'n bietjie vir my asseblief. Nou net by so Gala.
Ja, as jy nou beweeg. There we go. Niet te veel hier achter. Hy moet saam ry agter. Here we go. Probeer. Let's go. Hey. Wat sê jy?
Ons maar apart afgaan, ons seker nie saam afgaan nie.
Nee, kom saam af. Dit is baie maklik, regtig.
Venster oop tussen die karre.
Right, 1, 2, 3, daar gaan ons.
OK, kom maar gaan. Stadig af. Jy kan maar kom, nou net jou wiele reguit.
Ek is ook reg, dankie Tannie.
Maar hier is veel nog so.
Hey my bro.
Wat is dit? Dis 'n soft check. As jy 'n soft check laat doen, maar dan is dit op my pen terug te kry. As jy 'n soft check het of wat, hier sal dit nice wees. So, nie 'n soft check. Dit sê dit is 'n soft check, extra soft check. Ja, dit is al gewerk. Ook as ek raar afvat. Dan moet jy eens begin ry. Ja, net as jy sê. Ja, kom maar. Oh, dit is goed. So we are back in one piece, back in Swakop. And listen, this Toma from my name, now it's my buddy. Letlu, Kialeboga Papa, you made me many memories richer today, ne? And if you think how many times I've come to Swakop in my life, I've never done sandwich, and this bra messaged me on Facebook. He said, George, I'm gonna take you to sandwich. And I said, bra, let's go. So there's a Dunes and Dust, ne? If you need an adventure specialist in Swakopmund, ne? Contact hierdie bra. Sê hulle wat doen jy alles?
Okay, so ons doen
Ah,
toere.
Engels.
So we're doing tours. We're doing tours to Sandwich Harbour, and then we're also doing Sossos Vlei,
Yep.
Spitskoppe, Skeleton Coast. We're also doing the Miop Bay tours.
Moon
from
landscape.
Luderitz, Moon Valley landscape. We're also doing the tours up to the north in the rivers, and also the Angolan trips. So
say.
basically anywhere you'd like to go, we'll take you there.
Dunes, Dust. Ja, nee. Sê weer?
Desert Dunes.
There's a
and Dust.
Dunes and Dust, nee.
Daar's
Dan
hy.
gaan hulle besonderhede sit. Ra, Kialeboga, baie dankie, nee.
Daar's hy.
En ek wil net die mense wys, nee. Kyk die smiles. Kyk die smiles. Miles and miles and miles of smiles. Daar's Niggie ook. Niggie. En even Malinkie survived it, nee. Malinkie, miles and smiles. So ja, let's go Brauhaus. Arrivari. Cheers.